All right, Sam, thank you. Speaking of that system, let's take a look at the impacts of former Hurricane Beryl now. Of course, take a look at this bird's eye view from Texas. This is in the Houston area. Got a lot of flooding on the ground there.
And Beryl was a Category 1 hurricane when it hit Texas. So far, 6 people have died due to the storm, many killed by fallen trees. 2 million are without power now, and it'll likely take several days for those communities to pick up the pieces.
Well, the remnants of former Hurricane Beryl now moves into the Midwest towards us right here in West Michigan. So we do have meteorologist Blake Hansen standing by with us here in the studio. Blake, what are the impacts as this starts to barrel towards the Michigan area?
Yeah, the impacts are definitely going to be in the way of heavy rain, guys. No longer a real wind threat per se, but as it continues its trek into the Ohio River Valley and eventually here at home in the Great Lakes, it's all about its heavy rain potential. Now, again, Beryl made landfall early yesterday morning, right between Corpus Christi and the Galveston area in the Matagorda area, and that has been progressing northward through Texas over the course of the last 24 hours. And a better look now, its center of circulation, it's now a tropical depression, is roughly in the southern half of Arkansas. In due time, we're going to see Beryl continue to make a north and east jaunt through parts of Missouri, Illinois, eventually the Ohio River Valley, and into West Michigan. See all this shaded in green here? That's a flood watch, and we are now under a flood watch, just what meteorologist Samantha Jacks just mentioned, and that was because, well, the trek of Beryl will continue to work its way pretty much close to our neck of the woods. So what are we looking at? Well, when we look at the model comparison here, a lot of the guidance honing in on a similar expectation of rainfall, with those from a Holland, Grand Rapids, Ionia line and southward possibly picking up 2, 3, 4+ inches of rain. That is very consistent between the model guidance, and to the north and east, Muskegon to the north, the numbers drop off. So the main threat will definitely be along and southward of I-96 as of now. That coincides with the flood watch that was just issued by the National Weather Service. That kicks off at 11 o'clock this evening, goes all the way until 8 tomorrow evening. But notice, Muskegon County to the north, you are left out of this flood watch. So coming up, meteorologist Samantha Jacks, she'll break down what this flood watch means, what we need to just keep in mind as Beryl comes into West Michigan, and when this will all wrap up.